Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft. In this video, we are going to do the speed test comparison between the SanDisk Dual Drive Luxe and the SanDisk Mobile pen drive. And I've been using both of these pen drive for quite a long time, and I think SanDisk Dual Drive Luxe is the one which I use the longest. And as you can see, both of them comes with a Type-C connector, with the help of which you can connect it to your MacBook or you can connect it to your USB, the normal one. And if you see over here, the pen drive which I have with the Dual Drive Luxe is made in China, whereas the one which I have in black is made from Malaysia. I'll show that also in a while. And by the way, the one which I have for the mobile pen drive is the 64 GB variant, and the Dual Drive Luxe is 128 GB. And I've been using this, and the only thing I've been holding back for this kind of reviews and speed test comparison, because when the pen drive is new, guys, it performs brilliantly, but after some times they start to degrade. So I really wanted to know what is the effect of it. And if you see, the build quality of the Dual Drive Luxe is the best, whereas this one is a plastic and it bends, and that is not the deciding criteria for this. I would say the Dual Drive Luxe is twice more expensive and twice more faster than the SanDisk Mobile pen drive. And I personally like this particular color. The it's something like how those Macs are. And so this dark metal is one of the best, one of my favorite colors, I would say, on any pen drive. Like, this is having this shimmer of a gunmetal wala finish. And if you ask me personally, this is my favorite pen drive which I really like to carry for conferences and any other things. And because it's an eye catcher, I would say. Whereas if you see over here, the SanDisk Mobile pen drive is plain black and it is bit thicker compared to other pen drives. And in my honest opinion, I would say that you can go for this only if you are on a tighter budget, and if you want to connect this to a TV or something. Whereas the Dual Drive Luxe, I think, is where everybody should invest their money if money is not an issue. Because one thing, this is made from metal, so it is going to get cooled down faster. And the body of the Dual Drive Luxe is much more smaller compared to this, and it really looks stylish. In my case, I feel this is one of the best looking pen drives, except for the SanDisk Mobile pen drive. And after using it for a while, as you can see, you can technically do this kind of stuff. And if you like this kind of videos, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to press that bell notification icon to get any future updates. Also, you can follow us on social media at the rate Creative Soft. And so basically, guys, I will be linking the link in the description to buy these particular pen drives, both of them, from Amazon, because that's where you get good deals, at least in India, compared to other e-commerce sites. So here I'm going to do a speed test comparison, and I'm going to show you. By the way, I've been using both of these with TV and I'm having no issues with it. And personally, if you ask me which is a better deal, I would say the mobile pen drive is a better deal, because for half the price you are almost getting the performance which is required, especially if you are using it with a TV or a car. And as you can see over here, the right one is the Dual Drive Luxe, because the speed is quite high, because it is almost like, you can see for yourself, guys, it's almost more than twice the read speed of the Dual Drive Luxe. The Dual Drive Luxe is almost like 360, so this is like a typical speed. And I quite surprising, the mobile pen drive was performing good also, because on the packaging it says 100 MB read speed, but if you see the read speed over here, it is 153 Mbps. And I think this is one of the reason why I would say it's a value pen drive. If you don't mind bigger casing obviously and a plastic build, then definitely I think if you're getting a very good deal below 1000 for 64 GB, then definitely you need to buy it. As of 2026, the prices are very high, so check out the link in the description for the correct pricing, because when I was checking the Dual Drive Luxe, I got this for 1200 in India, but today as I'm checking, it is almost double of compared to what I paid. So in that case, I would say the link in the description is the right way of commenting on the pricing as well, because if I go to any Amazon site, the pricing keeps on fluctuating. But anyways, the 64 GB, if you're getting for around 600 rupees for the mobile pen drive, it is quite nice, guys, because again, for TV, if you are going to connect it, is you are just going to plug it and forget about it and never bother about it. So even if you see the write speed, guys, I would say it is 143 mbps for the dual drive lux, and this is almost like 40 mbps for the mobile pen drive. Again, we'll wait till this entire test gets over, and also we are going to do a review of the speed of actual file. Like maybe we are going to copy paste a Ubuntu file which is almost like a 4 GB, and I think that would be the right case test. Okay, so let me just drag and drop this so I can just replace it over here, and also drag in the other pen drives as well. And obviously the dual drive lux is going to be much more faster. As you can see the speed difference, even if you copy it late, it is just going to eat in terms of the write speed, because the write speed is almost like 122 to 124, 125, I guess. And if you see the write speed over here is around 50 mbps, guys, so it is almost 2 to 3 times faster compared to the mobile pen drive. The dual drive lux is one of the best pen drives, I would say, because if you want a Zapier speed, just go get the dual drive lux, because also in the long term it is going to get heated. The body is made from metal, so it is going to get heated, but later on what happens is it cools down also faster compared to plastic, because there is no heat dissipation for the plastic ones. And you don't actually feel the heat, but it's there, like it is maybe going to take some time. So most of the people in the comments ask me like whether I should buy a dual drive lux or a plastic one. My suggestion will be just go to I mean dual drive lux in this particular way, guys. And as you can see, it is very frustrating for sitting for waiting and checking if the file is going to get copied, because right now it is less than 20 mbps, and which is very frustrating, guys. So if you don't like wait times and all, just go for the SanDisk Dual Drive Lux, because it is in the long term it is going to be a very awesome pen drive, because I'm using it since lockdown, guys, almost 5 years, the original one, and I had no issues with it, except I think one time the file set got corrected, but that was totally, I believe, a system issue, because I just removed the pen drive from my Windows system, and that had corrupted the file. And luckily there was nothing but just 2 or 3 something like images which I clicked on mobile, which I had a backup. So in that case, the failure rate also of dual drive lux is much more less, because this mobile pen drive is definitely going to have a plastic body, and plastic actually is flimsy and it breaks. And that's it, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel, and do also check out all these videos which we have it. Let me know in the comments below which pen drive you all are using, or you all are thinking of purchasing the dual drive lux or the mobile pen drive. I would be happy to help you out. Again, guys, thanks a lot for watching this video, and see you in my next video.